Hey sellers, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to raise your seller limits and specifically how to get in contact with eBay whenever they have no phone service, because right now there is no phone service at eBay. Welcome back. Hey, because we are in this time of quarantine and social distancing, and a lot of people are either losing their jobs or stuck at home, not able to work, eBay has no phone communication to talk to their sellers. And this could be people that at the eBay corporate office, or this could be their call centers in other countries like India or the Philippines or wherever they have their call services, their answering services. So the other day I ran into a problem and I needed to get it resolved, but I could not talk to anybody at eBay. And so I'm going to share with you what I did to get past that hurdle. The problem was on one of my accounts, I completely maxed out the amount of items that I was able to sell in a given month, or that I was able to sell and list in a given month. Just so, because I'm maxing everything out. I'm staying super busy and super motivated to make this 10K per month challenge work. And so once again, I couldn't get in touch with eBay in order to get them to raise my seller limit. So I went online and I started digging around. I could not find a phone number. Everything said, we're not able to talk to you. Normally on your seller dashboard, it would say, click here and we will, you can call us. I did that. It said, we're not taking calls. So I started digging around and I thought there's got to be some sort of chat feature. And I found it. I found the chat feature, and through that chat, within a couple hours, I was to get the seller level raised on both of my eBay accounts. The 10K per month account, I was able to get that raised from 350 items to 650 items. So that's a 300 item increase on what I'm able to list and sell in a month. So this has helped tremendously. I think I've tacked on another 100 items or so since that, maybe not 100, maybe like 75 items since then. I'm gonna walk you guys through what I did in the chat. There is no phone support on eBay. However, I did some digging and I found out how to get in touch with people at eBay via live chat. There are still people working around at certain times during the day. I think it's 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. I believe that's what it is. I don't know what time zone that is. However, I did find the link to get in contact with eBay. Let me show you exactly what I mean here. You can see, let me flip this around. You can see right here, I have no more items available to be listed, and I've listed 351 out of 350 items. And then I say request to list more. It opens up and says request higher selling limits. Talk to us on the phone, talk, continue. And then it says we're committed to, and then it talks about how they cannot talk on the phone. Request a selling limit increase. And then it opens up to this page where it says, unfortunately, you're not currently eligible to increase your selling limits. You have to wait for the end of the month for it to refresh. And then they will look at your metrics. And then I say, okay, well, there's nothing else to do. Done. That's where most people would stop. And in fact, that's where I stopped over the past 3 days as I tried to get this working, and I couldn't get it. I've just been out of listings, and I've been trying to figure out a way to get more listings so that I can list more stuff and make more money. I have tons of stuff here. So I did some digging. I figured out that there is a live chat. You just have to search for it. And I'm providing this link down in the description. Contact eBay customer service. And if you contacting eBay customer service, if you scroll to the bottom, you can contact seller, contact buyer or bidder, and then very bottom, need more help? Chat with us. 1 minute wait time. Let me refresh that. 1 minute wait time, chat. Or you can email them. I'm going to do the chat. I just got done chatting with a lady about my other account, and so this is going to be funny to me if I get the same lady to help me with this account as well. So, all right, so chat with us. So I'm going to click that. Just going to walk you through. And it asks what you want to chat about. So selling, buying, account. So I'm going to say account. And let's see. Seller levels, performance. I don't want to go too specific on my thing, because I don't want it to just cancel me out and basically say like you have to wait. So I'm going to say, actually, let's go back, and I'm just going to say selling and creating a listing, because technically I'm having a problem creating a listing since I'm out of listings to list. Yeah. Okay, let's start the chat. Here we go. Let's see if I get the same lady I had before. I'm just going to record this whole thing. If you guys want to skip forward in the video, that's totally cool. I don't blame you. This might be a little bit dry. I'll try to cut to all of the more exciting parts of the whole thing. So I'm going to put need to raise seller limit. Need to raise, seller limit. We'll be with you in 1 minute. Who's jumping in? Someone's here. All right, we got a different person this time. Thank goodness. That would have been embarrassing to have the same. Hi, welcome to eBay chat service. My name is Raven. Okay, Raven. I read your concern. Okay, and I'm more than happy to assist you. May I know your first and last name before we proceed? Yes. Nicholas Woolsey. All right, so I'm gonna cancel. I'm gonna not let you see everything because I have to give like my email address, and I'm just gonna hold it like this so you don't have to see the whole thing, and I will sum it up for you. All right, we may be getting somewhere with this. She said, hello, Nicholas. I understand you would like to have an increase on your allowance. No worries. I'll be happy to check this with you. Check this for you. Please bear with me while I review your account and kindly stay connected. I said, thank you. I think there is something to say for consistency, resiliency, persistence is the word I'm looking for. Persistence. The people that make it in life, in anything, right? Athletics, business, the medical field, the people that make it are persistent. More than anything, they don't stop. They don't just lay down and say, okay, and let it go. I literally, now that I found this chat, I am going to be here all day long until I get what I need. Not in a rude way, not in an annoying way, but you've got to be persistent. If there's anything I've learned, especially from my kids, good Lord, they are persistent. I'm telling you, but it's a good quality to have. She says, thank you for allowing sufficient time to review your account, Nicholas. I said, no problem. Smiley face. She said, I checked your account and I can see here that you're now eligible for an increase. Yes! For this, I will be asking you some necessary questions. Would that be fine with you? Yes, absolutely. Let's get it. Let's do some business. Do the business. So pumped. I need this win today. Hey, let me know in the chat, you guys, if you like this setup with the white walls. I still have my black wall that I normally record against, but I moved my desk. So white walls, I'm thinking of putting up some like gray curtains and moving some of this stuff off the wall here, cleaning it up, just to have a lighter background for the summer months. We'll see. Let me know what you think. I kind of dig it. It's kind of like a lot more fresh, I guess. And I love how far that back wall is behind me. All right, she's typing again. Let's go. Come on, come on. Thank you for confirming. May I ask, what are the other items you planning on selling? I buy and resell used shoes, clothes, and books. I buy and resell used shoes, clothes, and books, mostly. Do not ever tell them that you're drop shipping. If you're doing that, don't, because it's against their terms of service and you'll get shut down. It's against the law for eBay. Okay, it's not against the law, but it's against the rules. Just don't do it. Like, follow the rules, practice good business, and just abide by the rules. It's not that hard. So my goal is to get them to unlock up to 1,000 listings for me. And if I tell them that I have all the inventory on hand. And she says, how many days you will ship your items after your buyer pays? So I do next day shipping all the time. I do same day or next day shipping. I do same day or next day shipping with my sales, which is true. If you buy today, I'll ship today up until 2 p.m. And then everything else gets shipped the next day. It's got to be that way. Like, people expect it. People don't want to wait 3 days for things, or 3-day shipping. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thanks for patiently answering my questions. I'm glad to inform you that the system have now increased your, hold up, your allowable, hold on. She's typing too fast. She's typing so fast. I'm glad to inform you that the system have now increased your selling allowance. You may now sell 650 items for a total of $33,000 of inventory per month. If you'd like to further increase this, then I would recommend you to continue performing well as a seller, establish a positive selling history, and show that you're able to meet all the needs of customers before. Okay, good. We'll gladly review your account in 30 days. As I want to assure everything is covered, is there anything else? That is it. Thank you so very much. You've been a tremendous help to me and my business. Smiley face. You're most welcome. It's been a pleasure to know I've helped you with your concern today. Thank you for trusting eBay Live Chat. Best wishes on your future sales. Stay safe and bye for now. Guys, that's it. The session has ended. We got an increase of 300 items. So that'll last me like at least 2 to 3 weeks of listing. Very pumped about that. So excited. If you're needing to get in contact with eBay, there's a link in the description below, and it's going to be the chat link that's going to take you right to talking to eBay. I want you guys to be able to get help when you need it. And so just click that link and move toward chatting with eBay.
And there it is, guys. We got it. 299 more items to go. Boom.
Always remember, be super courteous, be kind, be honest. Don't drop ship on eBay because that is a huge no-no. It's against their terms of service and it will get you shut down. If you tell them that you are drop shipping, they will immediately shut your account down. So absolutely don't say that in the chat, but you shouldn't be doing it anyways. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got tremendous value from it. And as always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.